Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Caseology to review for the Pixel 6 Pro. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Pixel 6 Pro. You want to protect your beautiful device, and this case should do the job. This case comes from Caseology. It is their Vault series case. I got it in black. It will not show off the beauty of your phone, but it should protect it, which is the main thing that you have a case for. In my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? Does it add bulk to your phone? And can you wireless charge? But let's get into it. Caseology. Again, nice packaging from them, plain and simple. There's that logo. They have a pull tab like some other case companies, but you know, man, that case is in there. That pull tab was in there. Bam. Here's the case. Let's see what you get in there. A little book or note. Says, thank you for trusting us. Make a difference. And if you're not happy until you are, or we not happy until you are, so bam. Look at that pattern on the inside. That's actually pretty cool. At the bottom down here, you have some more little terms. Look at that. It has this extra grip on the back too. I know y'all can't feel it, but maybe if I can make the sound. It's a nice looking case. Again, it won't show off the beauty, but it will protect your phone. Look at that. That will protect that camera bump. And then also, it gives you lip action. Everything lines up at the bottom. Microphone at the top. Here's the power button and the volume rockers. Power button works great. The volume rockers are easy to press and easy to get to. The only thing I wish is that the power button was ridged like on some other cases that I have reviewed. But it's not, it's there. You can definitely have a little bit of separation. Overall fit, the top is nice and snug. The sides are pretty snug too. I mean, it's a little loose there, but I won't say bad things. It actually snaps back into place. That's just because of the curved edge. Can you wireless charge? Let's take a look. Again, I don't think you will have a problem with these cases. Yes, you can wireless charge with it. Also, let's see. The new thing is laying it down. Doesn't, I mean, if you call that rocking, I guess. But not really side to side. I mean, if you press it on the top, I guess that's rocking though, but not really bad at all. Doesn't add much bulk to your phone either. And that back, that grip actually makes it feel nice. So again, if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, I will have the link in the description. That way you can pick it up for yourself. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.